5 free PayPal money earning sites you can start to make money with today. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you 5 sites you can go sign up for free and get started to earn free PayPal money. Best of all is you don't need any previous experience to get started with these 5 sites. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, make sure you watch the whole video, you pay attention to these 5 sites here so you don't miss out on any important information on them. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, you want to check out my #1 recommendation after we have finished this video, of course. But for now, let's have a look at how we can earn free PayPal money with these 5 sites there. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the first site that we can have a look at is grabpoints.com, and you can see that it clearly says that you can earn free PayPal cash, convert your points to free PayPal cash here. So how it works is that advertisers pay Grab points for engagement, they recruit members like you, and what you're going to do here is actually online activities like watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps and more. And for doing that, of course, you earn free gift cards or PayPal cash. So if we scroll down a little bit here, Grab Points has one of the most extensive rewards programs online. With Grab Points, you earn points by doing regular tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, and downloading apps. Stuff most of us do already, probably on a daily basis. So you can of course use these points to redeem lots of awesome rewards, and what we probably are interested in is PayPal cash here because it is the easiest way also to get paid here. So to getting started here, what you do is you head over to Grab Points, you register for free, and once you're done you have the option of entering an invite code if you have one. If you don't, you just proceed there. And if you have an invite code, you will actually instantly earn your 500 free points there. Registering is that simple, and of course they explain once again here on how it works. It is, as we said earlier above here, watching videos, answering surveys, you complete some offers, playing games and downloading apps. So it's super nice and easy, and I don't think you need any previous experience to get started with this. So it explains a little bit more here. We can also see that there is real reviews from members here that has been working with the Grab Points and have made money. There is also other free gift cards if you prefer that instead of PayPal money. Now there is of course an FAQ section here just to have a quick look. So it is more like how to enter my PayPal email address. So if you need any help, you can actually have a closer look at the FAQ section here. Otherwise, all you have to do is just go to grabpoints.com, sign up there and get started to earn some free PayPal money. Alright, let's move on to something else here, and that is treasuretrooper.com. This is how it looks when we arrive to the site. Pretty similar. What you do here is you complete offers, you fill out forms, you sample products, free money performing searches, you complete tasks and you get paid cash for it all. There are over 3,000 in offers. So you can see here paid offers. Take 8 daily cash surveys available every day worth up to $1 each. Visit our unique survey panel for dozens of extra paid surveys opportunities. Play mini games for pearls, discover games, find gold coins and trade them in for bonus prizes. So there is also a referral program. Tell your friends and receive 20% of what they earn and 5% from your second level referrals. So the earning potential is unlimited, and you can clearly see also the happening now section for people that here is a user have just earned 75 cents, another user 001, $1.20, and it changes all the time. So it's not something that you will get rich on, of course, but it's definitely a great way to earn some extra money with. So another good reason to have a look at my number one recommendation right here below when we have finished the video here, of course. Now, how it works is that Treasure Trooper is a free service that provides you with several money-making opportunities. You simply register by providing your name, email address, password, and payment information, and you will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Okay, so you can have a look at the details here for yourself. I'm not going to read through. There is a community, a skeptic center, so you can see some payment proofs here. There is a payment gallery actually with tons of payments here that people have posted. So it's definitely a good and great site to get started with. There is also the goodies section here. So have a look at it at treasuretrooper.com. Let's move on to another site, and it is pricerebel.com. And we can clearly see here, take surveys and offer, earn points, and you get free PayPal money. So how do you get free PayPal money? You sign up for your free account, you log in, you complete your market research surveys, you sign up for brand name offers, or watch videos here also. So a lot of opportunities to watch videos, and you earn points for each activity that you complete, and it is totally free to participate. Once you have earned enough points, you can redeem for PayPal, or if you prefer, a gift card from hundreds of brands delivered within 24 hours. And you can see here with Price Rebel, you join a community of over 9 million members. 19 million in cash and rewards redeemed since 2007. That makes it well over 12 years, so they have been online. They are a legit company also. And $723 in paid online surveys right now. A lot of activities going on here, so do not miss to sign up for Price Rebel, okay? So have a look at the details here for yourself. If you prefer another gift card, you can choose that too. It has been seen on Trustpilot, Survey Police, and SiteJabber. So here is also an FAQ section that you can have a look at for yourself. There are too many questions to go through in this video here, so let's skip it and move on to another opportunity. Another opportunity is actually pointprizes.com, exactly as you can see here, pointsprizes.com. And here is exactly more or less the same as the previous sites that we had a look at earlier here. There is also a difference here because you can download it on App Store and Google Play, so it is a mobile version as well. And it is offer walls. Advertisers want to reward you for learning about their free products and services. There are survey routers. Brands want to understand the customers and improve the products with paid surveys. Now that is also why there is so much surveys online, because that is how companies improve their products, by taking surveys. So for you that are involved in marketing, you know the importance of surveys there. In overall, you get a feedback so you can improve your product. And there is also video ads, of course, and daily bonuses here. So what we are interested in, of course, is PayPal. So you can see here, earn free PayPal money. You just fill in your email address and you can get started straight away. You will be able to earn points, of course, by completing offers such as submitting your email address for a company newsletter or filling out a survey. These points can be exchanged for prizes such as direct payments to your PayPal account. Now how long it will take, they are very easy to complete, and within an hour you might be able to earn enough points to get your free code. So this is particularly the case if you live in the States or Europe, where there are plenty of great offers available. So it totally depends on where you live and the offers that is available at the moment when you sign up for pointsprices.com here. Alright, so I'm not going to read any more here. Here are more actually certified reviews from Trustspot. So it is definitely another great site to get started to earn some free PayPal money with. So let's move on to the final one, and that is SwagBox. I shared this in the past in a few videos, I'm sorry. And it is because it is one of the most popular sites actually. So you get free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you do online. And you can do that by shopping, watching videos, search the web, answering surveys, and find great deals to earn your points. You redeem your points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon, Walmart, or you get cash back from PayPal. And look at this, they have paid well over 376 million till this day. So you can see that they give out 7,000 free gift cards every single day also. So the how it works section, it works pretty much, you can see here. You can actually make money by shopping online at 1,500 retailers including Amazon, Walmart, Target and Starbucks. Answering surveys is another opportunity, watching videos, discover offers, search the web. They might ask you to go and search the web there and find something. Playing games, how cool is that? Make money for playing games. And also when you shop with a mobile app, so downloading the app is another opportunity that you can make money with. So there you have 5 free PayPal money earning sites that you can go sign up with and start to make money with as soon as today. Now, as I said here earlier, you're probably not going to get rich with these opportunities here. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it and it helps a lot. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you soon.